Hey guys, here's a quick video on my leak protection system I just acquired and installed on my RV. This is a shot of the water control panel on the RV. It's on the exterior of the RV where I connect the hose to access the freshwater tank or blackwater tank flush out. There's valves to bypass the water heater and select city services or freshwater tank use, etc. Always concerned about the possibility of a leak, given there's probably many connections behind this panel which you cannot see normally. So normally there's a carpeted panel like this that's in behind my water connection, my water service panel. So I remove that, and as you can see here, there's the back of the valve control panel, and I count at least 8 separate hose connections that have various hose clamps, which are all potential sources for leaks. And if you get a leak below the floor of the RV, beyond this vinyl covering is simply OSB, which if it gets wet is really like a sponge, so potential thousands of dollars of damage if you ever get a leak. So what I've installed is this leak detector, which has an alarm on it as well. It simply runs on a 9-volt battery. It'll give you a warning if the battery gets low as well. And it's got a detector that it's attached to. You see the wire coming over to the top of the unit itself. And I've installed just a simple sort of Tupperware dish that I've used 2-face tape to attach it to the bottom of the water control panel, and the detector's sitting in the there's a shot of the end of the detector that's sitting in the bottom of the Tupperware. So I'll show you what happens when water leaks into the Tupperware and the detector detects it. So I'm simply going to begin pouring a little bit of water in the container here, and you'll hear what happens. This particular water leak sensor is made by INSTAPARK. The model is IN07A. Runs about $10. I actually have 3 of them, one here behind this panel, one under the kitchen sink, and one under the bathroom sink in the RV. And as the annoying sound indicated, it'll certainly get your attention and hopefully avoid you suffering thousands of dollars in water damage to your RV. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.